Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sonia. If you have not subscribed, please kindly hit that red subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you're gonna be the first to be notified. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sonia and you are welcome to join the family. To my old and new subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you guys. So today I'm making two different soup and stew. I will be cooking tomato stew, ogbono soup, and egusi soup, that is melon soup. Okay, that's the three soup I'm going to cook today, hopefully. So if you want to see how I'm over in this kitchen today, don't click out yet, continue watching. And if you have not watched my previous video, I have already like 8 to 9 videos on this channel. Please feel free to check them out. Maybe you will see what you like. Okay, so let us not yarn too much. We will not blah 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 too much. Let's dive right into the cooking. So I brought out my palm oil, my red oil, so that I can put them in a jar or anything that is available, any rubber that is available, so that it will be easy for me to scoop, because this one I will be winter period. I have to microwave it to melt before using it. So now it's summer, so I still like to put them here, okay, for easy access. It's enough for there. No, don't pour down. No. See, I don't want to take that to show you just now. What do you say? This life, what do you talk for your mind? The thing for your mind, say, I don't want to touch oil. Still, the thing still find a way. The oil still find a way. Say, Sonia, you must touch me. I must touch your hand. I like to make life easy for me these days. I don't know whether it come with age. So this one, they like put them for inside fridge. Yes, no, you leave them for outside. Put them for inside my fridge. So after here I will bake my fish that we're going to use for stew. So I'm making oil stew today. That is fish oil stew. So I will put my oil for inside fridge. As I put them, I will bring my tomatoes. I already prepped my tomatoes yesterday. This is a new tomatoes that I prepped. I did that last night, yes, before going to bed. Cook a lot of stew today. And I'm going to use this stew to cook my egusi soup. So first I'm going to dry my fish.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are.
Let's watch movie and cooking, movie and cooking. So I like to watch movie when I'm cooking. So let's look for another movie to watch. I try not carry my whole cinema. Na game full everywhere. So they go out for a walk. So make they cook, they watch movie. For weekend, close your eye, especially when they day holiday. I posted a video today, make I watch am. They occupy the television scene, so I brought. Now when the way say you don't go for work, make I quickly watch my video. I post the video, never watch. I dey like watch when I edit my video finish, post. I dey like watch am for my television to see how it looks. Link them in the description box below. My ugu liver, they grow small small. My chocolate. I haven't said banana the other day. I see the ugu, the other one there outside. Now I can pluck ugu and go and cook vegetable soup. So guys, this is all what we are going to be using for our soup and tomato stew. Okay, any addition you will see it when I'm editing the video or when I'm making the soup. The main ingredients is this one. This one is the ogbono, and this one is my egusi. My previous video, I ground my egusi and I package them like this. I just bring them out from inside freezer. This is my tomato. So this is my meat. I already cooked my meat yesterday and prepared my tomatoes yesterday. So this I just finished just now. Okay, so this one is the ugu. I'm going to slice it very soon. And this one is my red oil. I already bleached it for the stew, so I bleached it a little bit. Okay, this one is enough for the egusi soup. For the fish, my seasoning, salt. So add my fish. Then add our fish. So I'm going to add my chicken stock. I need some palm oil to cook this very well. So I'll add a little bit of my bleached palm oil. Okay, just small. Allow this to cook. Then we are ready. So I'll add more fish. This is the spice fish. Yes, this one is the spice fish. I'll add like 2. The one that I season, because some people in this house like fish too much. My son, fish, he like fish too much. We dey holiday, so we go chop fish for belly. So allow this to cook. Then we continue with our agusi soup. So guys, the stew is ready. You see that? So it's ready. I'm going to scoop out all this oil later. Different recipe of making my egusi soup, but today we are doing it like this. I really don't like it too when it has a lot of lumps. This one I just do this one now. Just I don't like too much of lumps for my egusi soup. Some people in this house like it like that. So to add my tomato, I like to add some tomato. So Add the stock. Guys, tell me that you are going to make this recipe. Tell me that. I have different ways of making fried egusi soup. I have different ways of making it. Like 4 different ways. Guys, what do you think? My son's favorite egusi soup. Add your ogbono. Periwinkle. Ogbono soup not dey waste time. Ogbono soup does not waste time. It's done. I wanted to add okra, but guys, the ogbono soup is ready. Can you see that? It is ready. Delicious. So guys, if you watch up to this time, thank you very much. And it's not easy to make 3 soup at the same time. I started 3:15, now is 6:10. So how many hours? So guys, and if you watch up to this time, thank you very much. And I will see you in my next video. You can see the way the soup is telling you, come and chop me, come and chop me, come and chop me. Bye.
From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough.